$438 on the account, $1,200 on the account, $2,209. Oh my God, what a nice result today. $2,715 we have right now. Okay, guys, so let's start with GBP Audi. According to this chart, now price is below all of the moving averages, almost. So let's try to open sell position and wasting our $150, because according to the current chart, we're in a strong, like very strong sell zone. So that's why, of course, we have done this. We have opened the sell position. Moreover, we can clearly see that in the previous bullish candle, we were trying to break through two of the moving averages, but it was just a false breakthrough. So we failed to do this. Now, price is going to go lower. So let's see. I'm sure I'm right. So let's just wait for a little bit and see the result of this trade. Fine, so the first trade is profitable one, and we have $438 on the account. This looks really nice just for the start of our trading session. Let's continue, my friends. Let's continue. Fine, so let's check your GPI currency pair. What can we find interesting here? According to this chart, we're moving in the upgoing trend, so fine. Of course, I opened sell a buy position here and wasting our $288. Moreover, what sells? As you can see, price now is currently above both of the moving averages. This is a very strong confirmation that we're in the buy zone. Moreover, according to the parabolic star, we're also in the buy zone, and the vortex is telling us that prices may be overbought, but not so strong. We still have enough space for the current growth. So that's why, of course, I have opened buy position here and wasting our $288. Let's check Euro CAD. Well, according to this, we have formed the candle pattern named double hike. Let's change our investment to $550 and let's try to open sell position here, because according to the double hike candle pattern, we are ready to drop right now. Yep, so that's it. Moreover, we are moving in the flat channel, and now we're staying on the upper edge of the flat channel, and we're highly likely to drop at least towards the bottom line of the channel. So that's why let's check what will we get from this. Fine, so it's down. We have $1,200 on the account. This looks really good. It's a very nice trading session. I love it. Well, guys, so give me several seconds to choose the next currency pair for today's trading session. Moreover, my friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TG link, for which you can find as a description. As I told you, you will get the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you'll get access to the same kind of online trading sessions. So don't waste your time. Do this right now. Be with me. Link in the description. I have opened one more sell position. I did it. I will explain you why. First of all, just pay attention to the location of our candle right now. We're below all of the moving averages. Secondly, previously we were trying to break through them, but this was a false breakthrough. Price went back below all of the moving averages. Moreover, according to the parabolic star, we're currently in the sell zone, in a very strong sell zone. So that's why I'm sure like 1000% that we will drop more. So that's why $550 were invested, and we got profit from this trade, and we have $1,714 on the account, and we are ready to move forward, and we will do this. According to the Audi NZD, we're moving Oh my God, just look, I have just noticed this huge growth with these three green candles. This looks really nice. We have broken through all of the moving averages. Let's open immediately sell position as I did right now, investing $550. I will explain you why. Because just look at the vortex oscillates, it's just like overbought. And we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction from this trade. So let's see. At least let's see. I know it's a kind of a risky trade, but for now it looks like amazing. So yeah, let's just wait. For now, everything is going really good. Price is dropping. We're going to face the first moving average. We're going to face the first one. Well, it's done, my friends. One more profitable trade, and we have $2,209 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. And we have enough time for one more trade. So let's focus on it. Let's open Audi CAD currency pair with 86% of rate. Currently, no, it's not interesting at all. Let's check Audi CNI and Audi CHF and maybe Europe. Let's check now GBP. Audi. So now we are checking the GBP Audi chart. Let's change our investment to, okay, let's be like this. Let's open sell position while I see the entry point. So the entry point here is very nice. As you can see, price started reversing. It was a very good growth, but we were stopped by the resistance line zone. After this, we have tried several times to break through this resistance line zone, but we were stopped. And according to the master balance strategy, of course, I'm selling this asset, expecting the potential very good drop. So that's it, my friends. Done. Oh my God, what a nice result today. $2,715 we have right now. So my friends, if you want to have the same kind of result as me, you can easily do this by joining my web channel, link for which you can find in the description. Don't waste your time. Do this right now. Be with me and be the best version of yourself. See you all. Mwah, kisses and bye-bye.